Good morning everyone, it is Sunday today. Oh, my voice sounds so weird. I am recovering from a cold. I only actually got it yesterday. I think I caught it from Gray. Like now we're going out and seeing other kids and she hasn't yet been to nursery. She's starting to catch things. Obviously we've all been home for a year. She's starting to catch things and then I'm catching them. All of our immune systems are just in shock because they're not used to getting like the common cold. And oh my god, it just hit me so bad. I was in bed all day yesterday. I'm never like in bed with colds. My throat's so sore. Anyway, I'm on the mend. I feel so much better today. Trying to stay hydrated. Feeling good though, feeling much better, which is great. Did I say it was Sunday? I'm going to be vlogging today. We've got a few things to do around the home. We might go to a little food market nearby. And today's video is also sponsored by HelloFresh, so I'll be showing you later on in the video what we are making for dinner. I've just been doing my hair and makeup. Sorry, my hair is just, this is it now. This is the style. I think I look like the character from 50 First Dates. If anyone knows who I mean, the one who like works with the sea lions. That's what I look like. But do you know what? It means that I am washing and straightening my hair and then I'm not straightening it again till I wash it. Whereas I used to straighten it every day because I don't have to re-straighten it to do this. So it's great for now. Just to finish off my makeup look, I'm going to be using this because I got this yesterday and I tried it and loved it. And I want to try it again today. It's from Vive, which is Jamie Genevieve's makeup brand, which is amazing. And it's the Skin Dew Glow Multitasker. So it's a little tube. It reminds me of the Glossier Future Dew. It's like that kind of glassy, sticky texture, but this one has a tint. So it's kind of golden. And it's so nice. It's like not at all glittery. It's like just a lovely lit from within highlighter. This may be my favourite highlighter that I've ever tried. I haven't actually worn highlighter for years because I went off that kind of look and I just started using the Glossier Future Dew. This is lovely. I just want to like put it everywhere. You probably can't see on camera, but in real life, I'm just like whacking my face now. Oh, it's glowy and it's gorgeous and I love it. Well done, Jamie. I need to go wash my hands. And then let's go downstairs. I was sent this amazing package the other day by Hush. I knew they were sending me this dress, which I can't wait to try on. And then also with it, they sent this amazing blanket and like all this summer stuff. So like rosé, a Polaroid camera, and the picnic cookbook. So I'm just gonna go take a quick photo of this for Instagram. But oh my God, such an amazing package. This is what the dress looks like. So it's this gorgeous like gingham print, V-neck, sleeveless. And then it's kind of this tiered bottom. Oh my God, I love it. I think it would look so nice like a denim jacket for summer. Whilst we're talking deliveries, this came yesterday from Sleepy Dough. I followed them on Instagram for quite a while and absolutely love the stuff that they do and they message me. So I'm very excited to see what they have sent. I think there's something for Gray in here as well. Let's open it up and see. And then I want to show you what Gray is playing with in the garden. I think when this video goes up, it's going to be Gray's birthday on the 16th. Can't believe she's going to be 2. How crazy is that? Where has time gone? Thanks, Lily. Enjoy the PJs and your weekend. Love, Sophie. Oh, this is very exciting. I love pajamas. Oh my gosh, guys, this brand is so nice. Oh my God, so for Gray, Little Mermaid pajamas. That is adorable. They're so, so soft. Bottoms. Oh my God, how is she this big already? And going with the gingham print, pajamas for me. So this is like a cami top. This will be perfect for summer. And bottoms. So, so nice. They're like a really lovely cotton. Sorry, I just sneezed. Really, really lovely bottoms. And a really cute little cami top. Oh my gosh, can't wait to try those on. Thank you so much to Sleepy Dough for sending those. Right, let me show you the chaos that's going on outside. So for Gray's birthday, my parents and Rich's parents clubbed together to get this Wendy House for her from Costco. I love it. I think it goes very well with our garden. We decided to put it on the decking so that she could like play with it more. We haven't finished. There's like a doorbell. And I think there's like a little kitchen and stuff to go inside. Gray, do you like your house? Yeah. Can you show me how you go in? Why are you crying? Oh, does the door not shut, Rich? The door doesn't.
I need to still finish it.
Oh, the door's broken.
It's not broken, it's not finished.
Whoa, Rich is in a mood this morning. So as well as the Wendy House, which looks like this at the moment, I think I'm going to order some perspex though to fill the windows, because there's nothing in the windows and I feel like it would just get so wet and gross in the winter. So I'm going to hack some little windows, I think. Oh, look, she loves it. Over here we have planted some peas. Sorry, I've just realised that the sign says sugar snap peas. That is not the peas that I wanted. My dad helped us do this. I've just realised that we are probably growing the wrong kind of peas. Interesting. Anyway, this is what we've done. My dad helped us. He's very into his gardening. They look great. We need to start tying them up so that they grow up here. Getting through our to-do list very quickly. The next thing I need to do is saw this downing. Is that what it's called? This is for a wall hanging for Gray's bedroom. Unfortunately, ours arrived broken, but we actually had some spare of this anyway. But I just need to cut it to size. So, I've already measured. It needs to go there. Am I going to saw off my arm? Probably. Let's see if I can manage this. I've been asking Rich to do it for days. Poor Rich does everything, so let's just do it myself. Right, this is harder than it looks. Yeah, I'm making some mess as well. Alright, I think I'm halfway through. Gray's literally sitting on her high chair eating snacks and just watching me. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. Not yet, I haven't done it yet. You have to just like snap it. This is what the wall hanging looks like. It's from a shop called, I think it's called Grace and Ashes. It's Hannah and Steph Michalak's shop. Saw it on their Instagram and just loved it. I thought it would go really nicely in Gray's room. So let's hope I measured that right. Yeah, there you go. Now there's a little bit hanging each side. We just have to tie the string on. It's for your bedroom. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good. There you go. Done. What do we say, Gray? We did it. Yeah. Right, we're gonna go to our little local cafe. Okay, we're gonna go to our little local cafe, get a drink, and then head to the food market just so we can get out of the house. We didn't leave the house at all yesterday, so I need to get some air. Gray and her cousin holding hands. Very sweet. We basically got
next to the olive man.
We got so much food. I got Gray a chicken burrito. I got myself some halloumi tacos. Rich got a bucket, which is French Caribbean street food. Is that yum?
So good.
It was like chicken and stuff. And then we also got some vegetable gyozas.
Where did you get the apple juice from?
These halloumi tacos are amazing, as are these vegetable gyozas, but actually Gray's eating them, so I should leave them. Gray, do you want more chicken wrap? We're just finishing off the Wendy House windowsills.
Yep.
Where the end is going to go?
Do you want to come hold this?
Rocco's helping.
Ow.
Watch your head. Okay, so hold it there. That's it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
She's copying me.
It's got a little doorbell. Very sweet. What's happening inside? What are these little ridges for?
The shelf for the kitchen.
Oh my god, this is so fun. I had like a really gross cobwebby Wendy House. Actually, that's probably what this will become. Very much enjoying the crystal style windows. Update on the Wendy House. We have a cooker. We have a sink. Oh my gosh. And what else is there, Rich? Flower pots.
Flower pots and
This bit's taking longer than actually building the house. Oh, the door's got a little lock on it now. I like that. I think someone is a fan of the new house. We've done the doorbell kitchen, there's a phone in there. Did I say this was from Costco? It's from Costco. Very happy with it. We just need to move it back over here. I think we need to get some little plant pots. I'm not sure, I don't think it came with plant pots, but there's holes for plant pots there. This is what Gray had for dinner. Well, half of it. She'll probably eat more now. Kind of rice and veg and stuff. Gray, do you want more dinner? She's also had a Lick-a-Licks lolly. She loves these. Our HelloFresh box has arrived. Right, this is what we picked for this week. We've got veggie packed chili, which looks like that.
sausages and mash with jerk spiced veggies and mango chutney gravy. And bulgogi pork tacos. I had tacos for lunch, so we probably won't have this one tonight. Maybe sausages and mash. Those all look great. So I'm just gonna unload the box, put everything away in the fridge and the cupboard, and then we will probably tidy up the house and sort out Gray's bedtime. Gray is asleep. We've done bath, bed, stories, all of that, and it's so nice that it's still light out. Oh, I just love summer and the warmer months. Me and Rich are gonna make dinner now. I don't know what we're gonna watch on TV actually. We watched a really good film the other night with Justin Timberlake in called Palmer. Really liked that, but we've kind of run out of TV series to watch now, so I don't know what we're gonna watch, but it's very nice and peaceful and clean and tidy down here, so that is nice for a Sunday night. I think we're gonna do the veggie packed chili with rice tonight because it's a rapid recipe. They've got all these different recipes, and that means it only takes 20 minutes, which is just ideal because it's already like 7 o'clock. By the time we put Gray down, it's 7 o'clock, and we're both just hungry, so 20 minutes is perfect. We've got the recipe card and all the pre-portioned ingredients, everything we need. We don't have to worry about getting all the bits and bobs in our food shop, and then it's got the step-by-step instructions of how to cook it. Really simple. This one looks really easy actually, which is great. I love the mix of recipes you get on HelloFresh. It definitely gets me trying and eating different things. Like I really don't think we would do a veggie chili tonight if we weren't doing HelloFresh. We just get stuck in the same rut of cooking the same pasta dishes over and over. So that's what I love. I always check in on the app, on the recipes, and like switch them up every week. So yeah, I'm really happy with our 3 recipes this week. We're gonna get cooking. I will show you everything that goes into it and the finished meal. It looks yummy. I've got all the ingredients out ready to take a photo, so I thought I would show you guys. This one's got coriander in, and I usually say that I don't eat coriander, but I'm actually starting to get better with it. I feel like some recipes it does actually improve, so I'm gonna give it a go. I've got black beans, green pepper, spinach, also the same with green pepper. I usually say I'm not a fan. It's not my favourite out of all the peppers, I have to say, but a lot of recipes require green pepper. So this is everything we need. I'm just going to take a quick photo of this and get cooking. Right, everything's looking good. Almost done, pretty much done actually. Rice is cooked. Yum. This is the finished chili. I actually decided not to put coriander on the end because it's not like in the recipe, it's just a topping, and I don't love it as just a topping. So this is mine. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just gonna take a quick photo and then I'm gonna dig in. Right, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna find something to watch on TV, not sure what. Rich is gonna do a spin tonight, and I think that's about it for our Sunday. It's been really nice. The food market this morning was so nice. I'm so sad I couldn't show you more. It was so chaotic. I always find it so tricky, like we were trying to get stuff and like stop Gray from running off, like she wasn't in her buggy, so we just had to watch her, and you know, not like the old times where I used to be able to vlog all the details, but it was so nice. We got so much yummy food, and actually I'm looking forward to having some of the olives that we got from there as well. It was so nice to finish off her Wendy House, and just feeling very summery vibes at the moment. Loving spending more time in the garden. As I said, when you guys will be watching this, it'll be Gray's birthday, so I just can't believe she's 2. That is so crazy, but hopefully we'll have a nice day, making the day nice for her. And I think that's about it for today's video. I'll link below anything that I mentioned in the video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Keep any video requests coming in. I always love to hear them. I know you guys like the vlogs, but anything particularly that you like me to put in the vlogs is always helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.